Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiet Crafts, and today I have another Wish haul for you. After getting my last order from Wish and seeing how nice these supplies were, I decided to get some more because I'm gonna start doing some more junk journaling. Or probably by the time you see this video, I've already started doing the junk journaling. But let's dig in and see what I got, because I kind of forgot some of the stuff that I ordered. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a pack of washi. There are 10 rolls in here. We got some watermelon, and I believe it has some soda bottles on it there. Just different designs, peaches, watermelon and cherries, cherries and strawberries, some strawberries on like waffles. I'll be doing some swatches of these later, so keep your eye out for that. But I had to get these because I love the different fruits and the patterns for the fruits, and I think they'll look cute as a theme in my journal. I only spent $3.66 on this, and it was $3 for shipping, which I didn't think was too much considering most packs of 10 of washi tape, you're gonna pay about 12 bucks anyway, so I still got it at half the price. This bag feels very similar to the first, and I know I ordered 2 of the sets from the same person, so I am going to do this one next, and I know it's gonna be washi. Ooh, nice. And this one is an antique looking set. I needed some black and white washi tapes. I thought these would look really cute on some journal pages. We've got different ads like newspapers, again another ad, numbers and lace and different lace patterns. This one has instruments. Oh no, it doesn't have instruments. It has an old gramophone on it, I think. Record player. And there's some more old things. Here's some instruments here and some old different furniture pieces. So I'm excited to start using those. Again, this was $3.66 and then $3 for shipping. This package is quite flat. I kind of know it's going to be stickers, so let's see which ones it is because I ordered quite a lot of stickers. So, bloop. Oh yes, they're they're like little, they call them like kawaii girl stickers, and I believe there's quite a few in here. Let's see. So I'm going to lay them out so you guys can see them all. Here they all are. There's 20 of them. And I looked it up and I spent 71 cents on these and $2 for shipping, which isn't bad. Most times when you're buying stickers like this, it's about $5 on any other site. And they look to be like homemade. So, I mean, I don't mind. They are waterproof. They do have like a layer. It feels like contact paper almost on top. And I think they will look super cute on a journal page. This one is my favorite, and this is why I bought it, because I love that one. Any of these look like they could be your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so in my next package, feels like the book that I ordered. Oh, it is. So it's a book that has different pages, that has different pictures on every page. And I could use this in the journaling, depending on what the theme is. So there's some, looks like pages that would be in like magazines. There's different plants. We've got letters and tickets, music. There's quite a few pages. There's some anatomy pages, more plants. And I think these would look really cute depending on the theme that I have. They even have these pieces that almost look like a wax paper piece. I like the way the color looks. I think it'll look really cute as like a layered effect later on. I honestly thought that this would be a lot bigger than what it is. But the quality is really nice for the size, so I'm not too upset. So you guys can see more of the pages. Oh look, there's a bingo page. That'll be cool. If I ever make anything for my aunt, she loves bingo. Actually, I shouldn't be too upset about the size because my pages in my journal are quite small, so this will still take up a good chunk of my journal. The only reason that I'm kind of upset about the size is that it was $4 for this with $4 for shipping, so I paid $8 for this little small thing. And I thought it was going to be like this big. Mental note for the next time I see something like this. So in my next package, let's see what I got. I kind of know what this might be. Can you guys read that at all? It says Blackpink. Okay, this was something that I splurged on. I probably shouldn't have spent as much as I did on this, but I had to. I got Blackpink washi tape. It was $4 for this 2-piece set of Blackpink washi tape and $4 for shipping, and I just couldn't pass it up. Okay, it is that Blackpink from their first album. It's not like their brand new album, but it's still really cute. Look, it says we got Jisoo, Rosé, Lisa, and Jenny's on here too. Just probably underneath Lisa, because that's the end of the roll. And then I got all their pictures down here, some from the first album when they first started. I'm definitely going to be doing a washi swatch of this sometime soon, so I can even see it. I can't wait to unroll it. I got this because I went to the Blackpink concert. Oh, when was that? 2018 when they came. And I saw them, and I was general admission, so right by the stage. And I have a bunch of stuff, like whenever they popped off like confetti and stuff, I grabbed it, and I have a couple of them, and I want to put it on a journal page. They also had a lot of BTS tapes, and was my next go-to, but I found out my BTS concert was canceled. It was postponed for the longest time, but now it was canceled. I was gonna get that because I was gonna be close to the stage, and then I was gonna make a page as well, but I guess I'll have to save that for the future. There's even 5mm on here, so that's quite a lot for a Wish washi. And my next package, more stickers. I believe this one is the Little Prince, or this one is the Little Prince, and then the other one is just Moon and Stars. I'm gonna open them up and show you guys all the different patterns. This is the Little Prince set, and you get 3 of each sticker, and as you can see, they're quite large. I wasn't expecting them to be this big, and they are like a washi tape kind of feeling. Very smooth and shiny, and I love how pastel they are. They're just so pretty. This theme is like a witchy girl theme, I guess. And I thought that this would look really cute because I'm really into like this kind of vibe. And this really struck me as beautiful, and I wanted to put it on one of my stickers, or one of my journal pages. And all these were, again, you get 3 of each. And here's the last set. It's a fairy set, so I got a bunch of different fairies and other magical things. My next package has some more stickers in it. I told you guys I was getting a lot of stickers. This one is a bunch of different sodas. So we got some peach soda, some milk. This girl, this pop is really cute. A couple other containers of drinks. Oh, so cute. Oh, I thought there was fish in there. I don't know why I thought there was fish. So another, like a strawberry drink. These are so cute. More strawberry. Also peach, strawberry. I think that's a tea. Banana milk. I've had this and it's so good. I thought it was grape juice, but again, it's a peach. Another popsicle. So we got some more milk. Oh. A coffee. A watermelon soda. Some kind of cherry drink. That one's really cute. Stay hydrated. And then this one says Sakura soda. Oh, look, it's Cardcaptor Sakura flavor. Cardcaptor Sakura themed. That is really cute. But those are all the stickers that I got here, and these are nice, like a nice feeling, like the first set I did. And I think these will look really cute on a page when I am all done as well. And the last thing that I got, I know what this is. I've been looking at it for forever. This is my most expensive item in here. Sorry for all the crinkling. It is a phone stand. And I really, really, really hope it works. Like, honestly, because I need a phone stand for myself. So I'm hoping that putting this together is going to work the way it's supposed to. So it's going to be like one of these that hook into each other. I don't know how to explain it like this. This was $7 and I think it was $3 for shipping for this. So it was my most expensive item. Silicone, I hope that it does well with the UV resin. It's very thin, and yeah, keep an eye out for a video in the future. So yeah, that's all I have for this haul video. Let me know in the comment section down below what was your favorite item that I got this haul, and if you want to see me do some more Wish hauls in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here and you like what I do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here and you like what I do. Check out the description as well to check out all my other social medias. But that's all I have for you guys today. You have a wonderful rest of your day. See ya!